My name is Tyler Whale. I'm founder of BioDiffusion Technologies, Inc. The core of the business is we manufacture 100% plant-based bioresin, which is a binder and a sealant. You can think of it as we figured out a way to capture tar in a water-based emulsion that when it is applied to a variety of market applications, you get a superior binder and sealant without using fossil fuel. If you get a chance to see the plant, you'll see that it is very scalable. It's easy to replicate what we've got here in Cambridge all around the world. This plant can produce up to about 90 million liters of resin a year, which is a substantial market opportunity. While we are a clean tech company, our focus is still being a superior product with better performance, better pricing, and simple process integration. Green is our fourth and actually a very key component to the business, but the 3 Ps are ultimately the most important. Our 2 core markets right now, our lead markets, are road applications, road construction and maintenance, and mining applications. So if you take this for example, this is a piece of asphalt that we have created using BDT bioresin that enables 3 times more recycled content of asphalt into a hot asphalt mix that's used on roads. So we're getting 50% asphalt in this sample, for example, versus the regular 15% that is used in most Ontario roads currently. So again, the opportunity is to create a greener road surface, a cheaper road surface, but one that is as functional as the current standard. Investment has built what you see behind us. It's the technology, it's the ability to be commercial scale, it's the ability to survive through the long sales cycles that we are experiencing in the industries that we target. Without risk-tolerant investors, we would not exist, and the solutions that we provide to industry would necessarily have to be provided by companies with deep pockets. And simply put, they can't innovate in every aspect of life. There are too many things to do, so you need small companies like ours. Otherwise, you're relying only on those multi-million or multi-billion-dollar companies to do all of the work for society. So the next 5 years for us, the first milestone is to become commercially profitable, to increase our sales from a pre-revenue company to a revenue-generating company. But we anticipate that once this gets traction in our lead marketplaces of mining and road production, we can start to build new plants around the world, and we will also be exploring all the different applications in different markets like agriculture, packaging, plastic replacements, roofing, wood coatings, etc. There are a number of different markets that BioDiffusion has applications in. We are initiating that R&D, but we'll amplify that R&D and start to slowly but surely bring more commercial applications to market.